Hi, welcome to another fund overview by Groww. Do subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this. Today's fund overview is about Axis Midcap Fund and it was launched on January 1st, 2013. So this is a midcap fund. A midcap fund is a type of fund that invests in companies that have their market capitalization in the middle range between the small cap and the large cap companies. The assets under management of this fund is rupees 1,779 crores. You can start an SIP with just rupees 1,000 and you can start a lump sum investment with rupees 5,000. The best performance of this fund is 102.67% during September 2013-2014 and the worst performance has been minus 15.48% during February 2015-2016. This fund has outperformed the S&P BSE Midcap TRI twice and has underperformed thrice. The risk involved with investing in this fund is moderately high. This fund has invested in City Union Bank, Info Edge India and TORRENT Pharmaceuticals. For units in excess of 10% of the investment, 1% is the exit load if you redeem it before 1 year. The expense ratio of this fund is 0.99%. Shreyash Devalkar is the fund manager and prior to joining Axis Mutual Fund, he has worked with BNP Paribas Mutual Fund, IDFC Capital, JP Morgan Services and Callion Bank. All the information related to this fund is valid as of 31st January 2019. And that's all for today's fund overview. Do remember to share your thoughts in the comment section below.